Hello and welcome to Downtown Mediaworks Tutorials. My name is Max and today I will be showing you how to record desktop audio straight to Audacity.
First, open Audacity. Change the audio host found here to Windows WAS API. Press the record button before you play the audio you want to record. Press play on the audio you want to record.
We are Downtown Mediaworks. I am Drone Pilot Ken.
Once your desired audio is done playing, press the stop button. Highlight any dead air you want to remove and press delete on your keyboard. When your audio is cut how you want it, click the File button in the upper left. Click the Export button and select what file type you would like to export it as. Select the folder you want to save it to and name the file.
And there you have it. Audio recorded right from your desktop to Audacity. Thank you for watching and let us know what tutorial you want next in the poll up there. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out and means a lot to us. Have a lovely day.